Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you quickly turn your image into captions for use on your social media or any platform that you want. So go over to this site image2caption.ai and let's go over here to the bottom and upload your image. So you can only use this customizations here if you are upgraded to the pro version, so just upgrade if you want, but this free one should be good to go. Okay, so let's go over and choose a random photo here. So here, generate the caption. So as you can see, this is what photo we have. So as you can see, furry friend. It describes the teddy bear that she has, and there. So you can copy this and paste it on your social media post if you don't have any ideas right now. So just go ahead and do this, guys, and you should be having your own captions for your platform. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.